The cannabis plant grows outdoors nearly anywhere on Earth, apart from the poles. One of the few crops that grows on every inhabited continent. It is extremely fast-growing, from seed to maturity in around 3 months. In that short time, this crop provides an amazing source of food. Hemp seeds contain 2.9 times the protein of beef and 3.6 times the omega-3 in salmon. It provides an amazing source of clothing. In fact, the word canvas is derived from the word cannabis, the second strongest natural fiber, which excels in fiber length, strength, durability, absorbency, anti-mildew, and antimicrobial properties. It is an amazing source for building material. Hempcrete is a non-toxic, mold-resistant, fire-resistant, pest repellent, temperature and humidity regulating, carbon-negative building material. And it's an amazing source of future technology and energy. Hemp carbon supercapacitors outperform standard supercapacitors by 200%, while costing just a fraction to produce. All of this in a crop that sequesters up to 12 tons of CO2 per acre, requires less than half the water of cotton while producing twice as much fiber, can be grown without pesticides or herbicides, and its deep taproots break up and aerate the soil, leaving it more fertile than before.